Hi guys, how are you all doing? First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year 2024, and I hope it's begun with a new beginning and a lot of happiness in your life. Well, today I am doing a very unconventional video apart from aviation. Oh, I hope you guys know who I am. I'm not going to spend a huge amount of time in introducing myself. You can go through my previous videos for my intro. It's going to give you a whole lot of detail about me. So moving on, I wanted to talk about something which has really helped me in my life as a pilot. Time is of the essence. So we know how important every minute is. And you guys, as a passenger, you know how much you trouble us if you're delayed by even 5 minutes. A very important gadget which will reduce a hell lot of work for you. And no, we're not talking about Dyson air purifier. It's just a purifier. Are we doing an ad on the purifier?
No.
Is it? No, we're not talking about this, though I love it. It is really effective. I'm not trying to promote this brand, but let me tell you, it's doing a fabulous job. So if you really want to air purifier for your house and there's a lot of moisture, or you have kids who are oversensitive and allergic to especially dust and moisture, please try this. It's comes straight from heaven. What do I say? Well, okay. All my products, whether it's small, teeny, mini, or it's a huge, big product like a TV or something, I tend to buy from Amazon, and I think, yeah, you can take a chance. Sometimes it may come with sort of fault or something, but you can always return the product, and their customer service is at the top. So moving on, let's do the unboxing of the product I've been talking about, and I've been waiting for this. What were you during COVID? Why didn't I think about it? You know, the best part I like is the unboxing. You know, there's so much of joy, and I'm sure you guys can relate, especially all the people who give review on various products. I'm sure that's the most exciting part, is unboxing any new product. So here we go. Went to Amazon, so it says this side up. Yes, it is DreamBot D9 Max. I have really done a good research on which one to buy, and I think this is the most economical and within your budget. It does a fabulous job, which is really important for all of us. So let's find out what's in the box. Let me cut it here. Let me put the tissue box over here.
And let's be careful not to make it fall on the edge.
Oh, I just love
Oh my
this.
God.
So to begin with, you get a
It's
quick
so
start
good.
guide, which will help you with each and every
Yeah.
step. So it's simple, easy. We'll go through that later. Let's see what's in the box.
Oh my
So
God.
before I remove the main, yeah, there are,
Wow.
I think it's for the case. Oh, there's a charging dock. It's so cute. Then we
Okay.
got,
Then we open
guess
this.
I guess these are the wires. I'm not too sure, but looks like, yeah. Is the power cable
Let me see.
for your docking, the charging dock.
Okay.
And
Oh my God.
you know what, before we do this, we're going to quickly read the guide and see what it says.
Yeah.
Oh, the protector is inside the brush, displays the charging, begin charging. Yeah, it will be ready. Let's find out.
And now let's open the robot.
Oh my God. So here it is, guys. Very sturdy wheels. You got the one which goes 360 degrees. There's the cleaning brush inside. And I've seen a video of this. This can be opened easily. And the wheels for you to move around through difficult surfaces. Alright. And this is how it looks from the front. There are smudge marks as I've told you, not all the products which you receive from Amazon will be in 100% in a very good condition. There are smudges and I can see few lines. So they do have option of exchanging it, so I'll have a word with the customer service department and talk to them, and I'll try to exchange this item. But yes, before that, let me review it. Here is the brush, the vacuum, and here is the mop. So this is a dry and wet robotic vacuum. Here's the mop, and it's got all the wiring, so all you need to do is just connect it with this magnets to the main device, and you can remove this and fill water. The water quantity, every detail is mentioned, so you don't have to really wonder how much is required. And does this look a little untidy? No, right? It's fine. And this is easy to remove and wash. It's on the Velcro. You can just pull it off, wash it, and put it back. Alright, this is it. And let's check the charging dock. This is the charging dock, which is the most essential component of this robot. Again, we got some smudges over here. I wonder whether this is the display piece, though it doesn't look like, but yeah, there is some sort of dirt. So it's like it was kept somewhere. So if you're ready to take the chance, it's a quick delivery, but I'm not too happy with this product. There are too many smudges and then sort of a pattern. First I thought maybe it's a design, but then I realized there's a fault in this product. So I'm going to definitely speak to Amazon customer service, and they're really good. I recently had an issue with one of the phones which was very expensive, and they did refund me the money, though I would say it took almost a month. But then you got your money back, right? That's all that matters. And this is the cable. This is the only part of the complete device which is actually in a sealed pouch. That too, the one which can be resealed. This is the cord you get along with this. And to know more, there are n number of videos by the experts who are very good in gadgets, and they have given complete details and explanation of how to use this. So this is the DreamBot D9 Max Robo Vacuum and Mop. To try it, I have really liked the reviews and the way one of the videos was made, and I think it is really good product for you to buy and save a lot of time. And you don't have to really go hunting for a maid to come or wait. I think it makes a lot of difference when you don't have any help back home for the time being, when your maid has taken a holiday, for example, or you're traveling. Like we travel a lot to our holiday home, which is very close to a village, and it's where I really need help with the cleaning and mopping, as we have to do it on our own, though there are people available from the village, but we prefer it that way. So that is the time this robo is going to be of great use to us, and I'm looking forward to using it. And I hope that I'll be able to give you more detailed reports once we make the video of how the product is used. But as of now, I'm going to call Amazon customer service and try to arrange for an exchange, because I'm not 100% satisfied. I think there is a sort of a fault, and you should not accept, because you have spent a lot of money on it. Alright guys, so that's it. I will come back with more videos on aviation. Till then, take care. Good night. Bye.
It's still rolling.
So keep watching.
Yeah.
And yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And what else do you do? And your comments are very valuable. And thank you so much for all your... Is this a heart?
No, it's a peanut.
It's a peanut?
Yeah.